May is National Arthritis Month, and the debilitating disease affects so many from an orthopedic standpoint. Here to tell us more is Dr. Schmidt with OrthoArizona. Good morning, good to see you.
Morning, you too.
So when it comes to arthritis, how does that affect a person from an orthopedic standpoint?
As orthopedic surgeons, we deal with patients with arthritis all the time. It really limits their ability to move around, perform activities of daily living, shower, grocery shop, or enjoy the activities that they want to enjoy. Golf, tennis, pickleball, big here in the Valley. So we see them coming in saying, I can't do these things. I want to be able to do them. How can you help me?
So what are some of the most common joints in the body that are affected by this?
Any joint can really be affected by arthritis. The biggest, most common affected joints are in the spine, hand, hips, and knees. So you'll often hear people saying about hip and knee pain or back pain that can be related to arthritis.
When should someone come seek advice from a surgeon like yourself?
When the pain in the joints or lack of mobility doesn't go away, if you've tried rest, ice, or some over-the-counter medications and it just seems to not get better, you can come and see us and talk about what's going on.
Let's talk about some of the options for people. What are there non-surgical options? And if those don't work, then is surgery necessary?
There are many options to help treat arthritis depending on how severe it is. Early treatment involves activity modification, so if it hurts going up and down hiking, up and down the mountain, then we recommend limiting that for a while. Over-the-counter anti-inflammatories are great. Maintaining a healthy, active weight and lifestyle is very important as well. And if all those fail, among other injections and low-impact activities, then surgery may be a treatment choice for you.
So many people suffer from this. You have a special event coming up. Tell me about that.
Well, OrthoArizona is the group I'm in, and we're sponsoring an event called the Arthritis Walk for the Cure. It's put on by the Arthritis Foundation. It's a very important organization that raises money for arthritis research to help discover a cure for arthritis, autoimmune diseases that affect the joints. It's this weekend.
Saturday, May 4th,
Yep.
6:30 registration.
It's a fun walk. It's at the Phoenix Zoo. Everyone comes out there. I'll be out there with my family walking around supporting the cause. We're really passionate about it, and the biggest thing that the Arthritis Foundation does that I love is it helps support kids who have arthritis that can't go to summer camps. They help sponsor them so they can go to camps and have their diseases managed and helped with when they're being active.
Well, the weather's going to be beautiful, so I'm sure the event is going to go off great. Doctor, thank you so much for coming in. And if you'd like to find out more information, you can log on to their website, orthoarizona.org, or call the number on your screen.